Cut to the chase.
I'll cut to the chase.
So what do you say we cut to the chase?
Could you just cut to the chase? I'm kind of in a rush.
Can we cut to the chase? What's in this for you?
Hank, you could just cut to the chase.
As our friends in Hollywood say, let's cut to the chase.
So let's cut to the chase. Did you break this kid?
Can we just cut to the chase already and get to why I'm here? Of course.
You guys here for the cacao?
Let's cut to the chase. Where's the dope?
I'm gonna cut to the chase, Dave. Are you in Fairview?
All right, Tony, let's cut to the chase. You either start negotiating, or we're gonna walk back over there and take that other deal.
Should we cut to the chase?
You have some things that don't belong to you.
Let's just cut to the chase. Who do we have to sleep with for us to get in the show?
Yeah, let's cut to the chase, okay? What are you guys selling?
Nothing. We just wanted to say hi to our new neighbors.
So I'll cut to the chase. Last night you met a woman. Delphine LaSalle is out of her depth.
Cut to the chase, Sheldon.
Okay, Amy's decided she wants to move in with me, so I need you to come back home, you lovable scamp.
This ain't nothing at all like Radiator Springs.
Mater, just cut to the chase.
Okay, it's him.
What? Me?